Hi, it's Khandie. So the UK is still in its lockdown throes. Essentially, well, England is especially, because obviously Wales is slightly different. If you don't know, they're different countries, but we're all part of the United Kingdom. Anyway, so I can't do much. Can't see clients, although some naughty photographers are actually doing it, and their reasons are dubious, but let's not go into that. So I'm trying to have my hand at street photography. Now, you might remember I did the ghost shoot, which is, I'll link somewhere up here for you. So I've tried some street photography. It is not my forte, but I've definitely enjoyed it. So I'm going to go walk around, look for things to photograph. As you can see, this light is harsh as hell. My hat on, my head's cold. Let's go. What's really sad is that this used to be like a really busy part of Northampton, and now you can just see people walking back and forth. But it's dead. I get why it's dead, but like, you'll see I use that location in the shoot. But there is just literally, look, there's one person there. It's so sad. I get it, but it's sad. So I'm now back in my car. I'm just parked up. But it really annoyed me because I couldn't get any inspiration for when I was walking around, and that's one of the things I've been trying desperately to keep hold of during lockdown. Inspiration is not coming. I had all my like inspirational things that I had written down, all the tasks I wanted to achieve, but as lockdown went on, and just like every other creative, I became more and more disillusioned and almost created this imposter syndrome that how am I not inspired? I've got all this time and I'm not inspired. And actually what happens is when you have so much free time, you end up becoming less inspired. And I think creativity thrives on restriction, and not just physical restriction, like you can't go anywhere, you can't shoot anybody, but like you actually need to go, right, I'm only going to create an image in an hour, or I'm only going to use one lens, and you had to do that. So I started doing photo challenges, and although I've gone out and tried to shoot, I didn't really have a clear plan. I should have done, I'm only allowed to shoot reflections, and then only shot reflections. Instead I was like, oh, I'll just go out and try some street photography. Thankfully there was a bit of rain, so I will, you will have seen the images now. But what I will say is this lockdown has taught me one thing, and that is that I need to put myself in further restrictions in order to have creativity. I can't just give myself free reign. I need to give myself, I can only shoot this lens, I can only use this colour, I can only use these colour tones, I can only shoot in an hour. I need that, and I need that personally. And what it has taught me is that I am not this constant endless source of creativity. Sometimes I do need to have a break, and sometimes I do need to just go, do you know what, let's not photograph today, let's not push it. But I do know creativity is a muscle, so it needs to be flexed occasionally. But how you flex it is just like when you go to the gym. You don't just randomly pick up a weight and hope that you build that muscle up. You actually have to do it to effort, and so that's what I'm going to try and do. So anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you all soon, where it'll probably be more upbeat, hopefully, video.